let's remove this cover here, 22mm socket. Okay, take this off. This cover here comes with a choice of 2 caps, black or silver. I'm just going to go for the black one, personal preference. And it's got some adhesive on the back. Peel that off. Make sure the surface is clean. Center it. Okay, once you have it centered and pressed in, let's go ahead and mount this. Let's get this cover on. Usually, when these get worn out over time, you want to do them by hand. But when they're brand new, sometimes you have to use a power tool to help them thread on all the way. Okay, you want to make sure this is nice and snug so it doesn't go flying on the road.